Hey guys, my name is Kalila and this is Napturalx2. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a full head of Cantu products. I have them over here. So we're going to start with this new Cantu Shea Butter Hypoallergenic Shampoo. I hope you guys can see this. It's fragrance-free, dermatologist reviewed, and made with pure shea butter. I love shea butter, so I hope that I like this. It says here, no silicones, mineral oil, sulfates, formaldehyde, propylene glycol, parabens, or paraffins. So yeah, I'll be trying this shampoo for the first time. And then for conditioner, I actually don't have any Cantu conditioners. I was looking through my collection and I was like, huh? But I did find this mini leave-in conditioning repair cream. So I'll probably use all of this up, but yeah, I'm gonna use this to deep condition. Actually, this isn't a deep conditioner, so we'll see how this works. But yeah, it's a conditioning cream, so I'm gonna use this for conditioner. For my styler, I'm gonna be using the Coconut Curling Cream. I actually have used this about 2 times before and I really like it. So yeah, I'm going to use this for my styler. And then last but not least, for my gel, I'm going to be using the Maximum Hold Moisture Retention Gel. So this guy has flaxseed and olive oil. I've actually reviewed it on this channel before, so the link to that is going to be somewhere up here. But yeah, this will be my gel. So yeah guys, this will be my first time doing a full head of one brand in particular. Hopefully this turns out well. Keep watching if you want to see if my hair turns out good or not. If you like our channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I've just rinsed out all of the shampoo. Now I'm gonna go in with the deep conditioner. So I'm all done with the shampooing and conditioning process. I'm just gonna go ahead and style now with my curl cream and my gel. So if you want to see that process, stick around. Hey guys, I'm back and my hair is fully dried. It's now the next day and I'm just gonna take down my twists using some stimulating hair oil. Okay guys, so my twists are all out and my hair is still a little wet, but that makes sense, right? I used a lot of moisture last night. I'm going to take my blow dryer with my diffuser attachment and try to get most of it dry before I separate the curls. guys, so this is the final result. This is what my hair is looking like. The more I like shake it around, the bigger it gets, and so as it like dries more, it's gonna get bigger and nicer. But yeah, I really like the results. My hair is so soft, my curls are defined, and I think this is gonna last me a while, so I'm pretty happy with the full head of Cantu product. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with a new video next week. Bye.